Hey guys, it's Alex back with another video. Today we got the Google Pixel 4a in the house. So let's start by getting this box open. So it's got these two simple pull tabs. We'll pull these tabs just like that. It says hashtag Team Pixel, and then the box should just open up. Alright, we're gonna have to pull this open ourselves because it doesn't seem to want to open up. So I've been pumped for this to come. It was supposed to actually come yesterday. Alright, so here we go. Here's our phone itself. So let's pull that out. That feels really light in the hand. Actually, let's look at the size compared to our 11 Pro. So, I mean, that's actually not that big of a size difference. Once I throw a case on this, this actually feels like a metal back, or a glass back to me, even though I know it's plastic. So let's open this up. Let's see what else it comes with. You got your manuals, you got your 18 watt, you got your little adapter for transferring files from like an iPhone or something, your USB-C to USB-C, your 18 watt power brick. I actually am going to want to use this, so I want to get this thing out of here. Alright, there we go, we got that out, and we'll probably end up using that too, but let's just move the box to the side. Let's get a look at this actual phone. So we're going to take this plastic off and I'll get you guys some of the sound so you'll hear it. So here we go. Alright, there we go, we peeled it off. So here's the actual phone itself. Let's boot her up. So we got the mint green power button on the side, Google. So we got the fingerprint scanner on the back. Now we have some cases for this phone, so case reviews are incoming. We'll have case reviews. Now this feels really good in the hand, size-wise. I am going to pop a case on this thing though. You know, I don't want to drop it, crack it. That'll be annoying. Brand new phone, crack it. So here is our Pixel 4a. So we're going to basically get this thing set up, and then we'll be back and show you some like basic things. We'll obviously do reviews of this, but we'll be back once we get this thing just basically set up. Alright guys, so I figured this is just an unboxing video. We're not going to show you that much. This is just the general unboxing experience of the phone. So that's pretty much it for this unboxing video today. So we'll be coming out with some reviews and some other stuff of this thing, but we're going to like get used to the device, start using it and stuff. So we will have more videos coming in the future about this phone. So like always, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.